Good afternoon. We're getting a late start today. We had a lot of things going on this morning, but
in general,
yeah.
in life,
right? If you can see behind me, we have our trailer with our 3 IBC totes on there, and it is time. Our water level is, we maybe have like 400 gallons, so we got maybe another week and a half left. So we're taking a break from framing for the rest of the day, and we're probably gonna do a few loads, just hauling water to fill those things up. We get about 900 and some gallons per load, so we're gonna go fill up a few loads and just kind of get a little more water in our tanks so that we can
shower. If you guys want, go back and look at our water videos.
Yeah.
We're completely off grid, so that video will explain to you how we do our water, where we get it from, and all of that stuff.
There's lots of videos on our water situation.
Yeah.
We had some fun doing that. We're gonna strap these IBC totes down, head down to our ranch headquarters, fill up these tanks, and then transfer them into the water tanks. We made it down to ranch headquarters. This is what they call the J station. It's a 2-inch pump from the well, so we just use this to fill it up. It fills it up super fast. Cabin that we're working on and renovating is just right up the hill right here. It's right next to the headquarters. Yeah, we're gonna fill this thing up, all 3 of these, head back up.
Husband, what is that?
I know, I got this without you knowing. I got a shed so that we can put all of our water stuff in here, because lugging it out here all the time when we need to use it, having no place for it, it's not cool. So we got this shed that's perfect to fit all of our water stuff. Check it out. It has a lock on it.
Oh my goodness.
Look, it fits all of our stuff.
Oh, that's perfect. I love it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. Now I can hold all of our water stuff in here, and I don't have to drag it from here to there, or put it in the back of the truck and bring it over here. Yeah. And then we just stuck it on this pallet.
Huh. I leave you alone for 2 seconds, and now I have a new shed. Babe?
Yes?
Did you remember to take the lid off the top this time?
I did. I just took them off. Yeah, last year when we forgot to take the lids off, and it would scrunch the IBC totes down to nothing as we sucked all the water out. We're not doing that this year.
Nope. Well, I had no idea, but this is so cool, this patio wall shed.
Well, we just got done dumping our first load for the season of water, and it's so cool that we got this shed. We've been talking about it all winter long about something that we needed for our water stuff to put over here where it's nice and convenient to get to. But if you guys are interested in a shed and you need one, check out Patio Well. They have really great prices. We'll leave a link in our description. We wanted to thank Patio Well for sponsoring this video. It's getting late. I think we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Yesterday we did some water. We only got one load in just because it was gonna start to rain and it was just a long day. So we just said one load and we're good for the day. It's early, rooster's crowing, and my wife's in there cleaning and doing all the house duties that she does, and she's amazing at. This last wall right here for this last section of this wall, I'm about to cut everything I need, lay it out, get this thing ready to stand up. Our goal for today is to finish this wall as well. It's not very long, but there's 2 garage door openings, huge LVLs, because once that's done, then we can sheathe everything and get it nice and tight, and we can take down a lot of this bracing, or some of it. Try to meet our goal today and get these 2 walls put up. I'm not wasting any time, so let's go.
Do you know I never knew that the tape measure did the 16 on center for you?
Did I know that?
No, I didn't know that.
You didn't know that.
I just am learning things left and right. Even something simple like the tape measure doing 16 on center.
You never wondered, like, why is that red?
No.
Never?
The little things, right?
Yeah, it makes it easy for you.
Yeah, it does.
Meow. Nice, babies.
That's little Milo. Roxy's like begging to get out of the kennel.
We've been taking her out and like playing with her a little bit. Now I think she likes it.
But I have to be able to keep an eye on her because she's still a little.
She's like 4 weeks old.
Yeah, she's a little wobbly.
Yeah. Okay, so this one, can you bring it up here and I can attach it right there?
Mm-hmm. She's thirsty.
Yeah.
We need her.
This thing started to compress and get more air in the tank, and then it just like died all weird. And I looked at the oil of it, looks like she's quart dry here.
Did you put almost that whole bottle in there?
Almost.
Is this like an easy buy at the...
If we need to, yeah, but...
Okay. It's not like some crazy oil.
Oh no, I'm saying the compressor engine might be blown.
Oh no.
Yeah, if you run things out of oil, it doesn't have anything to lubricate it and it seizes up. I can't even see like if anything's in there. The sight glass is foggy. I'm just gonna empty this whole thing in here.
It would come out the top if it was too full, right?
Yeah, well, it says there's an overfill thing right here, but I just can't see if it's... This thing was almost full. Looks like it's about halfway from up here. It broke. It's full.
Is that bad though if it bubbles out like that?
I mean, I think that's a release, so that if it's full, it'll just go out there.
Nice. It's an oil show. It's working.
Get like a geyser. All right, some people in the comments were saying that I'm missing a jack stud right here. I am. It's sitting right here. There's this bracing right here, so it's just not
yet.
It's not on there yet. It will go on as soon as the bracing's gone, obviously.
And we're also doing a door, just like this one, so we're getting the measurements for it. Sweet header.
Thanks. You as well.
Gotta get situated. Gotta get it up on the ledge. Gotta get it centered out. All the things.
Yep.
My muscles are getting so big. Look at these things. Ah!
All right, it's time. You ready?
All right. I am woman. Let's lift this up. What do you think? You think we got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Ready to do some work up there?
I gotta connect these 2 walls. Let's do it. So I'm up here on the pallet right now. We just put this wall up. It was the biggest wall that like the longest wall that we've put up so far, and it was heavy. Looks like this board, this 2x6 stud is a little tweaked. Oh, I got the bottom already nailed down. As you can see, this is not straight, so I'm gonna clamp it, get it all nice and straight, and then nail it together. All right, well, I couldn't hold the camera and put a clamp on and nail this with one hand. I just got done nailing it, and now we're gonna check and see if it's level. And I'm gonna say that's pretty good. We're gonna finish leveling out the rest of this wall, and then we just have one wall left to do. We're hopefully gonna get that done today. All right, wall 3 is completely up. It's done, it's on, level, bracing is on, it looks awesome. Now we just have this one wall left since we just did the concrete, what, yesterday? Day before?
I don't even remember.
Thursday?
It's all a blur.
We did it Tuesday. I don't even know what day. 2 days ago.
Today, yeah.
Today's
Thursday. Yeah.
Anyway, I still have the forms on here, so I got to remove the forms. That way, we put the next wall up. I'm excited.
Look at this third wall. What? That's 14 feet in the air. How was it up there?
It's high. Getting used to it. I think once I'm up there and I can stand up there, I don't think it's going to be as bad as like
when you have like stability.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, anyway, we're gonna remove these forms and then start cutting all the wood for this wall, and hopefully we can get it all put together and lift it up today.
Yes.
That's the goal. Getting close to having this wall completely built, but we have to build the header, and the header board is 2 LVLs. They are right here and they are 36 feet long, but we need to cut them. We got to get the tractor and lift them over here. I left my battery powered saw at the cabin, so I'm having to use a corded one, which can only go so far, and it's just not as mobile and it's not as fun at all. I'm gonna pick this thing up, get it in this place so we can saw it, and then we'll have our header put on this wall, and then we can do the cripples, and then we can stand this bad boy up. On our wall, let's go.
How are we doing?
This thing was heavy. I felt like my tractor was gonna tip. So we gotta cut it at 13 3/8, 2 of them, shoot them together, and that's our header.
This is one of those measure twice, cut once kind of things.
Hope so. Should we measure again?
Yes, please.
Expensive piece of wood.
That's what I was thinking in my head.
It's not just like a 2x6, that's not a big deal. Is ready. It's done. It's ready for action, rider, sir. You don't have kids, you have no idea what I'm talking about. Well, maybe not. I might. I don't know. We need to move this thing over a good 8 inches or so.
Let me get my muscles out. Let's do this. So level.
So level.
It's like you meant to do it.
I know. It's like we've done this before. Whew, I'm beat. Just saying.
You only got one more section left of this lower garage part. Oh my twiddly dee. Look at this guy.
What?
Look at you.
What about me?
We're doing the last section of the
I tell you what,
bottom.
I'm tired. And it's 7:30 at night and the sun's going down, but we just got a little bit left.
This is a tiny bit.
So
Come on.
we're gonna try to power through and get this knocked out.
We can do it. I have more faith in you
Then what?
than me. You got this.
Where's my camera?
Guys,
Every time I-
seriously, he doesn't like a tool belt, but he doesn't like to lose things, but it's like a constant gopher. Like, hey, where's this? Where's that? I bet you it's on your pallet that you took up to do this corner.
Come on, let's find it. Let's go.
Okay, I gotta go find a mallet. Just gophering for everything. Let's go. There you go, baby.
It's like Thor's hammer.
Yeah.
Right? Just
like Kenny Chesney right now. When the sun goes down, we'll be grooving. No?
No.
You're not ready to groove, Beth?
Yeah.
We might be doing this in the nick of time.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now? When you're looking like
Bought a
that,
line to the tractor.
can't get enough of this, being with you, it's a never-ending sunshine.
What are you doing?
Parked in my garage. We're done. Whoa.
Woo! Watch out for those strings.
Larry's here just in time.
Right now.
Just in time for us to be done.
Right? How you feel?
So good.
Are you as excited as I am?
I think I'm more tired right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But what do you think? Like, you're looking at this, like, what do you think? Can you believe that we did this in a week?
Yeah, people were saying this is gonna take us like a month, and I'm like, no way. No way.
I mean, we still... No way.
That's it.
That guy on TikTok, that makes me laugh all the time.
Hey, look, it's fast looking late. Hey, I came to help you guys. You want to help? We're done. We just finished. Well, it was getting dark.
Welcome to the party, Larry! Woo!
Raced off good enough. Feel confident. I put that double top play on the top of that.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Good morning, guys. Hey, match again.
Ah, it's like Sadie Hawkins every day.
Good morning. We worked super late last night into the dark, and we got every single wall up and braced and connected and nailed, and it's ready to go. We're ready for some sheathing,
Yes.
but not today. Today we are leaving. We're headed to Vegas, and that is where we're gonna end this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please keep following along with this journey of us building an apartment. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you guys in a few days.
See you in a few days.
You make me breathless, and I won't waste it.